Hello dear learner, this is an excellent Flipkart product. Be sure check out the link in the description. Simply set yourself and adjust your standard clock hand from here and your alarm hand from here. The white button is the night light or can say ambient light. From here, switch on or off the alarm sound, okay? To wake up at 5 a.m., position the silver hand at 5 and for a 5:30 wake up, place it clearly between 5 and 6. And I will show you the functions here, like how it sounds. Sounds really good. You can buy it, very affordable.